Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Play Store, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Games, and here you can see updates pending. You have all these unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update all these devices, applications at once. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.